many of you probably have kids applying to college or in the past had kids applying to college. And some colleges take the SAT, some take the ACT. And the ACT, I guess, is 36 is like a perfect score. The SAT, the math and verbal together, perfect score is like 1600. So you might want to know how to convert basically an SAT to an ACT or an ACT to an SAT. So what we're going to do is look at this conversion table from the College Board. It says 1570 to 1600, it's a 36 ACT. 1530 to 1560 is a 35 SAT. And see if we can predict the ACT equivalent to basically a given SAT score. But what we need to do then is take the average of these two numbers and say basically this is a 1585, this is a 1545. So we're going to use flash fill. So I'll take 1600 here for the high. I'll take 1560. Now this takes a couple. Usually flash fill is quicker, but it'll work here, I believe. 1480. And now I think if I do Control E, it will get it here. No, not yet. So we'll do one more here. 1440. And it fixed it. Okay. So 1570, 1530. 1490. Let's see if it's got it yet. Control E. I don't think it does. Oh, it does. Okay, so now we've got these, and now we average these. So basically, our x, this is our x value to predict y. So we're going to use the slope, intercept, and r-squared functions, or we can just really, we can do a chart if we want to. In other words, oh, I should say we're going to make this x and this y. Looking at what we've got. What ACT corresponds to basically this score on the SAT. Okay. So basically what we're going to do is name these ranges. Formulas, create from selection, top row. And so we can get a slope where the y range would be the middle and the x range would be the ACT composite score, 35.89. Okay, now the intercept, now the known y's, I could use the F3 trick, I guess. We want to predict the middle, okay, the SAT that corresponds to an ACT. And then we want to know the r-squared there. So what we've got is SAT equivalent equals basically 35.892 times ACT plus 300.3, whatever. Okay, so that would basically every extra point on the ACT means like 36 points on the SAT. Or we could do r-squared. Now y is going to be middle. X is going to be ACT composite score. Okay, r-squared 0.996, so it's just like a perfect fit. Now we could graph this if you want. So we would do insert, scatter, get it the same way. That's pretty much a perfect straight line there. And if I would go right click, add trend line, we should get the same deal here. So I want the intercept, I want r-squared there, and I want the equation on chart. And so there we go. We get exactly the same thing there. Make that a little bigger, I guess. Control 1. Okay. And so that basically shows you how we can use what we've learned about regression to figure out how to convert basically an ATC score to an SAT score. And of course, we could go backwards trying to predict the ACT from the SAT, but I'll stick with this.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of three books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here. and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his Analytic Stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so, yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.